as an artist, I think public art, everybody should be accessible to art. It's not just for the rich and famous that they can go to all the museums in the world and appreciate art. My whole point behind promoting public art is that people on the road, people coming from all over India who probably would not even, visit galleries or museums, should look at a public piece which appeals them, which gives them happiness. And there are a lot of commuters every day, we drive around the traffic. If you look left and right and you see some nice piece of art which just gives that little smile on your face, that's the whole point of doing my, the whole force behind public art. And this is my sculpture which is done in stone, and it's called Paradise Garden. The whole inspiration came from nature. I do a lot of theme-based artworks. So I've dedicated this to Mother Nature, to plant more trees, save water. Let's all get together and save the environment. This is what the art piece depicts.
Please, you speak. You speak.
Both of you speak
the same thing. मैं रूबल जी को दिल से धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ। मुंबई एक ऐसा शहर है जहाँ पे हम ऐसी हड़बड़ी की ज़िंदगी मना रहे हैं। हम इतने छोटे रास्तों से जाते हैं, बहुत सारी इतने लोग हैं और समस्याएं बहुत सारी हैं। जब हम अच्छे खुशी के रंग देखते हैं, साफ़ सफाई देखते हैं, हमें अच्छा लगता है। वी ऑलवेज फील बेटर दैट अ सिटी हैव टू बी क्लीन, वी सीक गुड थिंग्स, और हर किसी की वही इच्छा होती है। आज हम खुश हैं कि पब्लिक स्पेसेस में हमें नया आर्ट इंस्टॉलेशन, एक नया कलाकार कोई अच्छा करना चाहता है, लोगों से जुड़ना चाहता है, वो दिखाई दे रहा है, और इससे हमारा मुंबई शहर भी सुंदर दिखेगा। मैं रूबल जी के साथ बहुत जगहों पे काम कर चुकी हूँ। वी हैव डन ब्यूटीफुल हैशटैग बैंड्रा इन बैंड्रा, ये हम कर रहे हैं। विल बी कनेक्टिंग विद मोर किड्स टू गेटिंग इनटू पेंटिंग देयर हैबिट्स, जहाँ पे वो कला के साथ कुछ ना कुछ ज़िंदगी में अपना सुधार कर सकें। आई एम ग्रेटफुल, पैरों पे खड़े हो सके, एंड आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू ऐश्वर्या जी।
माय प्लेजर।
उन्होंने अपना समय निकाला और मुंबई शहर की एक मुंबई वासी के रूप से उन्होंने मुंबई को ताकत दी, और हर वक्त पूरा परिवार हमारे साथ जो कुछ शहर के लिए हो, देश के लिए हो, करने के लिए हर वक्त तत्परता से आगे बढ़ता है। इसलिए मैं ऐश्वर्या जी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ।
मैं आपको दिल से धन्यवाद देती हूँ कि आपने मुझे न्योता दिया। You invited me to come and join in the inauguration of this beautiful artwork by Rubal, and the pleasure has been all mine. इन्होंने एकदम सही कहा। हम रूबल जी को दिल से धन्यवाद देते हैं कि हमारे शहर को और ब्यूटिफाई कर रहे हैं, और एज अ मुंबईकर वी आर ओनली too happy to join in this ongoing movement to beautify our city and have these wonderful art installations. And when Rubal is when she's actually explained, it makes such natural sense, I think, to everyone listening, that art is not really just for the exclusive section of society. It has to be enjoyed by all. Art becomes artwork with increased audience appreciation, and I think it's wonderful that together all of them, Poonam ji, Rubal, the BMC, all have actually made it possible that we're having these installations all over the city, and the pleasure was all mine to join in today.
Thank you so much. Thank you. और मैं दिल से दोनों का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ. That Poonam, of course, we've done something before with Aishwarya. This is the first time that she's come and inaugurated this sculpture. But I actually wanted the women power this time. Most beautiful women I completely look up to, and my favorites. So I'm really thankful to all of you guys here also for coming and being so supportive, always being so supportive. So let's make our city beautiful and bright, and make everybody driving across the road happy, and give them a lot of smiles on their face.
Also,
that's
the
what
location for me has a personal holds a special place personally, because I've always lived in Bandra until I got married. And Mehboob Studio is right here, where we have done so much of our work in our industry. So this just is.
I hope your voting is
And
not
yeah,
done.
and she said, and she said the tulip. I mean, she said this is inspired by a tulip, and that just makes perfect sense again, because well, there is a tulip named Aishwarya. So I just discovered that, so thank you. I mean, this
I
pleasure
think
has
I
been
have
all
to shift
mine.
your voting from Jew again to Bandra. So that helps me more.
Yeah, that'll be great.
Actually, would you like to talk something about like Bahubali is breaking barriers or something?
We are here for this
Yeah.
today.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
बाहर आके
What is this? You all are taking? Yeah. Just tell them to